Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of pet supplies with a focus on one of the most essential accessories for pet owners: crate doors. Specifically, we're looking at the ProSelect replacement doors for kennels. If you're in the market for a sturdy, reliable replacement door for your pet's crate, this might just be the perfect fit. Let's start with why this door stands out. Made from durable 20-gauge steel with a powder-coated hammer-tone finish, the ProSelect replacement door is designed to withstand the wear and tear of everyday use. Whether you have a curious cat or an energetic pup, this door provides a secure containment solution. Now, let's talk about how versatile this door is. Whether you're using it for training, travel, or simply creating a safe space for your furry friend at home, the ProSelect replacement door delivers reliability and peace of mind. While we won't delve into specific customer reviews today, it's worth noting that many pet owners appreciate the quality and functionality of this product. Its robust construction and thoughtful design have garnered positive feedback across various platforms. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade or replace your pet's crate door, the ProSelect replacement door for kennels is undoubtedly one of the best options available. Its durability, ease of use, and secure design make it a standout choice for pet owners everywhere. That wraps up our review of the ProSelect replacement doors for kennels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. And as always, thank you for watching Product Critique.